This book is called Train by Judi Abbot. She is the author and the illustrator. And this book is perfect for any of you who have students or children who are obsessed with one toy or one topic and they don't want to do anything else. Train! Got a train going around. Little Elephant loved trains. Train! When Mommy and Daddy said, "Dinner," Little Elephant said, "Train." Pirate, train. Lion, train. Ball, train. Little Elephant is only interested in what? Trains. For a special treat, Little Elephant's Mommy and Daddy took him on a real train. He was very excited until train, train, train. Plane. Cat didn't want to play trains. Train, plane, train, plane. Car. Penguin didn't want to play trains either. Train, plane, car. Train, plane, car. Train, plane. Digger! Digger, 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 digger. Plane, plane, car. Digger, 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 digger. Plane, plane. Can you guys take a look at Little Elephant? How is he feeling? He seems annoyed with those other kids who want to play other things. Train! Stormed Little Elephant. He had a terrible train tantrum. Train, 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 train! Tunnel! Everyone shouted, jumping into the air. When the train came out of the tunnel, everyone was in a heap, and their toys were all mixed up. If we look at that picture and we listen to that sentence again, it said everyone was in a heap. What do you think heap means? Yeah, a pile. And their toys were all mixed up. Train, said Cat. Plane, said Little Elephant. This was new. This was fun. Train, plane, digger, digger. Train, plane, car. Train, plane, digger, digger. Train, plane, car. Train, plane, car. Train, plane, car. Digger, 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 digger. Train, plane, car. Sounds like they're passing those toys all around now. You've learned a lot of new words today, said Little Elephant's Mommy and Daddy. Little Elephant nodded. He'd learned a lot of new words, and one very special one. What do you think that very special word might be that he learned? Do you think it's car? Or maybe digger? Those don't seem very special. What did he learn for the very first time on this train? How to have fun with other people. Friends. He didn't really have very many friends when all he wanted to do was play with the train. So sometimes it's important to try other things, play with other things, meet new people, eat new foods. And even though Little Elephant loved trains, and his shirt even says, "I heart trains," he needed to play with something else to realize other stuff could be fun too.